Alright guys, we're going to show you how to change the transparency of an image in Microsoft Word. Let's say you have an image that you're playing with and you like it, but you want to use black text, or maybe you have a logo with set colors, things like that, and it's just hard to read over certain areas in the image. You know, if it's up here in the sky, it's not a big problem, but down here you start to lose the words and you just want to lighten the image. There's a very quick way to do that in Microsoft Word 2016, 2019. First, just make sure you have the image selected, so click on it, and then you're going to go up to Picture Format at the top, and then Transparency, there's a drop down here, and if you just hover over each one, it gives you a preview of how it would look with that transparency setting. Also, there's a picture transparency option where you can actually decide exactly how transparent you want it to be. There's some other cool tools here too for picture color and picture corrections. And you can play with those, the saturation, kind of make some fun stuff happen. But we're just going to leave that at 100%. And for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to play with the transparency a bit here. And then, you know, you could lighten it to the point where it's very easy to read the words, or you could just give it a slight lighten. And then there's also these pretty neat little effects you can drop onto your words to help them pop out a little bit. So that's how you work with transparency for images in Microsoft Word 2016 and 2019. We really appreciate you guys watching our videos. We make these for you guys, and we always want to know that we're making content that helps you guys out. So if you have a chance, you know, leave a comment if you have anything anything to add, or if you find this video helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for us. We appreciate it. Thank you guys.